Okay, so now we're going to go through the pre-trip on the John Deere K-Series loader. So what we're going to do is start over here in the engine compartment. Of course, we're going to give an overall look, make sure everything's working good, making sure our lights, everything's attached, we've got good tires, all that kind of stuff. And we're going to come in here down to where our oil dipstick is. We're going to check our oil, make sure we've got sufficient oil. It should be between the add and the full mark. You can see that's nice and full. If we need to add any, here's our oil add. We're going to check all of our filters, check the dates on them, make sure we're good to go. Check the overall condition of the motor for any leaks through all your hoses, through your air filtering system, through the exhaust system. All your exhaust, your turbo, will get a better view of that on the other side. All of your hoses, water pump, everything on this side. Then we're just going to take one step back. We open these, check all of our hoses in here, air filter, we pull that out, look at it. We need to clean that out. We can take that out, spray it with no more than 30 psi from the compressor. Check all of our hoses on this. Check the condition of our radiator. Check all the fins on the radiator. Make sure that's all good. Going to check inside this box. This is where our DEF goes and our diesel fuel goes for this machine. Make sure our caps are good and secure. We'll check those on the gauges when we get in a little bit. We're going to hop around to this side. Check the other side of that motor. This is where you can see the turbo, more of the fuel inlets, your starter motor over there. Check any filters, all your wiring, connections. This one here is just going to be an empty box that you can carry chains in, anything like that for pulling that off. Check this side as well. The fins, the radiator, make sure your fan's good. And then we can open up this back section here and check the inner of the radiator, all your fins, all the hoses in here, make sure it's all good to go. Once we're good, we're going to shut all these back down, make sure it's good and secure. Giving an overall condition, making sure all of our glass is good, all of our lights are working, tires good, all the lug nuts are good. Check the condition of the tires, all of our hoses at our pivot. We're going to check all the hydraulics through here, greasers, connections, make sure everything's in good condition. Windows, lights, everything, all the way to our lifting arms, tires. We're going to look at the rams, make sure they're not leaking. All the grease points, connections. Check the bucket, make sure the bucket's hooked up. Make sure your arms are all in good order, if your ram's good. Check out the condition of your bucket and your cutting edge. Make sure you've got plenty of cutting edge, which is the blades on the front of that. No holes in the bucket, all in good condition. Check all your connections from this side, making sure your bucket's attached, all your hoses, your rams, everything's good. Condition of your tires, everything's good. Inflation. Back to the pivot section of the loader. Make sure everything's good and connected. Nothing's leaking throughout your hydraulic box, hydraulic hoses, all that, all your glass, lights, steps, handles, and continue and then lock it up, and we're going to secure this side.